Going to do a quick update on my 5%ers account. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I got the funniest feeling. I'm gonna drink coffee all day.
And what? Too much if you leave your cup left behind, will you?
What?
You won't be drinking much coffee if you don't bring it with you.
Sorry. And a warm welcome to one and all. It's Saturday morning and, well, it's time for relaxation in the weekend. And obviously I'm relaxed that much. I forgot my coffee. Sorry. Anyway, warm welcome to one and all. If you haven't been here before, my name is Langers and I am the coffee drinking Scruffy Trade. And if those of you who have been following me know, I've been trading up a prop firm in front of you guys just to show it's possible to grow a small account. And it's all live, third party, so it can't be manipulated in any way. And what you see is what you get. So most Saturdays I do a little bit of an update and let you know. Now, if you don't know what a prop firm is, it's basically a company that'll put up the money for a trader to go to market, and then you have a profit split. In this case, it's 50-50. So let me have a quick look. I'll pull my screens up. It's going to be a very kind of quick video today. This is the prop firm that I'm trading, which is the 5%ers. And I find it excellent to a degree. I'm not a big believer in prop firm trading because there's a lot of restrictions within it. Whereas these guys just kind of let you get on with it as long as you follow the rules. And the rules are for the plan that I'm on is I must have a stop loss in place, 1.5% of the account. I have to hit a milestone within a certain length of time, 180 days. And then they quadruple the account and then double the account every time I do 10%. It's all here. It's easy found. 5%ers website. If you're interested in trying a prop firm because you've got limited funds and you want greater access to the market, there's a link in the description below because I've helped these guys out, and in return they gave me a sort of a cashback code for my viewers of 5%. So whatever you buy into, you'll get 5% cash back into your account once you've opened it. Okay, the plan that I am trading for them is this one. It's the 52,000, and as I was saying, there are certain rules involved. There they are there. I must have a stop loss required because I'm on the low risk. There is another version of it called the aggressive, and it definitely is aggressive. It's a tough call. But if you want to have a go at it and have higher leverage, away you go. However, what I will say is just because you've got higher leverage and you're putting on a bigger position size, you're actually putting the account more at risk. Of the two, the low risk is more than adequate. And if you've got limited funds and you just want to start, yeah, $275 buys you into the market. You can trade all the Forex pairs and you get paid a profit split, because as soon as you take this on, you are live in the market. Whereas a lot of other prop firms, once you're in their evaluation stage, it's kind of on a practice account. So you've got to pass the practice account, then you've got to do your evaluation, then you go live. So it's actually quite a long time before you get paid. With these guys, you're live from day one. And then what happens is they have a growth agenda, which is showing you down here. Basically what it means is every time you achieve 10% on your account, regardless of where you start, they will double it up to over $1 million. And there you are, there's the steps. And this is the steps that I have to take. Okay, so my goal is 910. So remember that figure. So where am I at? What am I doing? Well, if I pull up my spreadsheet, this is where I am at the moment. I am at 534 profit. So I'm on the right side. This month I haven't lost a day. I have lost trades, but I haven't lost a day. And if I pull it onto it, there is my current figures. I've had a clean 9-day run. So from the start of the month, I haven't lost one day. There's my growth. See, I've taken 134 positions, 96% hit rate. And my position sizes are now starting to increase because I'm a great believer in compounding. Now, this looks like a big position size. It's not. It's actually that one, which is 198, and then I break that down yet again to, well, it's going to be 40p from Monday onwards, because I've just been building it up. I have been trading at 30p. So like I say, I'm only dealing with small position sizes, and that's one of the best ways to trade, because everybody thinks, you put a huge position size on and you make fortune. You can lose a fortune as well. But when you've got a micro account, you're putting too much strain on the account. And because of the way the drawdown works, I'm only assuming it's a small sort of account. Okay, so that's why I'm building up. Essentially, the 13,000 that's on it is the leverage. The drawdown is the balance, and that's the way I looked at it. So yeah, it's going quite well. And if I flick it up onto my dashboard, which is this one, there you are. See, it's me, my name. It's doing quite well. My equity curve is moving up. I had 2 blips in it. The first blip was a non-farm payroll where I was caught in a meeting. I couldn't get the screens in time, but my stops were in place. It hit me, but it quickly recovered because sensible enough to see the writing on the wall. And the other one was the bank holiday weekend where I had positions open and I didn't want to leave them that length of time. So the sensible thing was just to close them off, take a punch in the nose and start with a clean sheet. Because that's the other thing with trading. If you can't see where it's going and you're unsure, just kill it. And I know that's one of the hardest things, and I'll tip a little nod to Sir Chris, because we were discussing this yesterday, and he openly admitted that he can't let it go, and it's a bad thing, because even when it gets right up close to break even, there's still only 2 pips to go, and you think, I should be killing this, I should be killing this. You can't, and then it just doesn't quite get there, and it rattles away. It happens all the time. You've got to get disciplined, guys, into cutting your trades. I know that sounds horrible, because what you'll often do is you'll cut your profits short and you'll let your losers run long, and it should be the other way around. And it's a real difficult thing to learn, but that's kind of my thought process. If I think it's wrong, I just kill it. Simple as that. So as we say, I'm only traded 40 active days since I started this in April, and the reason being is I have to wait for the perfect setup, because I have to pretty much nail it. So some days I miss, but it adds up. So I'm very, very pleased with that. I've got some positions running at the moment, which is why that current is less than that. It's just because they're currently in a drawdown situation, but that's fine, because I'm not expecting them to hit into profit till about Tuesday next week. So I'm well ahead of the game. I've got 131 days left to achieve this, so I am way ahead of the game. Because if everything goes to plan, I might actually have this done by the middle of next month. And when it comes down to the deals, I've taken 513 trades in total. I'm still holding a very high hit rate of over 88%. My profit factor, which is the part that I do pay attention to, is there. That tells you what your profit factor should be. It needs to be greater than 1 to show that you're a profitable trader. I'm running at 3.35. I am 3 times better than what they expect. And it's all down to discipline. And that's what trading is. It's discipline. I wait for the setup and then I manage the trade. And there's a big difference. See, a lot of people wait for the setup, put the trade on, and then just pray. No, I manage the trade as it's working. It's why you see me break trades up, and it's why you hear me call something called Scruffy madness, which is going backwards into a trade. It's negative averaging. It's all done off the same position, and it's the same trade idea. It's just managed and executed quite well. And that's it, guys. So life's pretty good. If you are interested in trying this, by all means, click the link below, because you might as well get your little discount. Why did they give it to me? It's because I did some free training sessions for them as an in-house trainer. And they rewarded me by giving me a cashback for you guys. Don't need the money, so give it to you guys. And that's that. Well, there you go. I'm quite happy. I'm going to enjoy my coffee, barbecue this afternoon because the weather's lovely. And if you're interested in coming along to the Scruffy Squad and seeing how the guys work, because there's a lot of the guys in there are doing this program, you'll find links for that in the description below, because that's where this came from. I had no intention of dealing with this. It's just some of the guys that I connect with were looking at prop firms and they wanted my help, and the fairest thing to do was to trade it alongside them and show them it can be done. And that's what this is. So happy days, pleased with that. So whatever you're doing this weekend, have a great one, and as always, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all on the next one.